Welcome back everyone to today's puzzles. Let's get started. So we've got a tough Hoshi today, 4-minute average. Alright, so we've got these two easy regions at the top. We've got this one. Okay, this blue is fully contained in the first row. Or the first column. Okay. So this was because the red region must have something in the bottom row. Can't be one there. There also has to be one there. So boom, boom, boom. Now we're looking good. Okay, boom, boom, because of that column. And boom, boom. All right, nice. That was a pretty tricky one. Felt good about that. Let's see. Okay, I guess we'll just move on. All right, so also a pretty tricky tango. So let's see. Alrighty. Boom. No. Oh, whoa. This is wrong. So we need a circle there. There we go. Boom, boom. Okay. Oops. Right there. There. So boom, boom, boom. All right, nice. That was pretty good. Now let's move on to the Guriddo. 9.5, so pretty average difficulty. Alrighty. What have we got? So this has to be a 4. This has to be a 5, so 6, 5, 6. This can't be a 5, so it's got to be 7. This is a 5, because it can't be an 8. So now these guys are 3, 2, 3, 2. And this has to be a 3. Okey-doke. So what now? So we need a 4. One of these two, so it's got to be there. This This is a 1. This has to be a 1 because it can't be a 4. This could be 1 or 3. Okay, this probably can't be a 3, can it? No, this definitely can't be a 3. Which means that this has to be a 3. And this probably could be a 1 or a 4, I guess. Okay. These two, this has to be a 6, 7. So 7, 7, 6. Now this could be a 5 or a 7. Okay, so this, we need a 4, 5, 7. So the 5 has to be here. So then we need a 4 and a 7. And then either a 2 or a 9. Okay, could this actually be a 4? If this were a 4, then it's 3, 2, 1. No. Because, yeah, this can't be a 4. So the 4 has to be here. And then this has to be a 2, 3, 2. Okay. Oh, and this also can't be a 2. So this has to be the 7, 9. Eight. This is a 6. Okay. Yeah, we don't know. Oh, well, this has to be a 4. We need a 5 in one of these two, so it's here. This can be 3, 6. But it can't be a 6 because that doesn't work over here. So this guy is 6, 7, 8. Okay, that doesn't really help yet. What about this row? We need 2, 3, 8, 9. So this is either a 2 or a 3. This is either an 8 or a 9. Oh, but it can't be an 8. So this has to be 9. And then this definitely can't be an 8. So 8. This is a 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Now this has to be a 4. This has to be a 1. Okay, I mean this has to be a 7. This is, I guess by uniqueness, probably going to be 9. Yeah. Okay, so this has to be a 6, probably. 5, 7, 8. This is a 6. This is going to be a 7, 8. 7, 8. This. this can't be an 8. This could be a 7 or a 5. This could be 6, 7. Well, I guess it actually can't be a 7, right? So this is probably just a 6. This is probably 5, 7, 8, 7. All right, nice. That was good. Now onto the Akari. Okay, 3 minute. Ooh, it's a big one. So we got these 2s up here. Now the 3. And this one. And that one. So, boom. Okay, so it's got to be here and here because the 1 over to the right is taking one of the spots from the 3. Okay, so it's got to be like this. And boom, boom, boom. Now this 3 we've got figured out. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. Seems like we should be about finished here, but this is a little tricky. Okay, what's actually the move here? Okay, I feel that it's probably going to be there. Okay, this kind of thing gets me into trouble. I shouldn't do that. Okay. Okay, we can actually guess here. This is not a bad guess. Because then it's boom, boom. 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 Then can we figure out this stuff? I mean, yeah, we can. Oh, not like that. Maybe like, oh, I see. This is an issue. Okay, wait, I should have just, okay, well, we can put this in here. We also know that this has to be, which means boom. Yeah, oh. Yeah, okay. Boom, boom. All right. Not great at the end. Pretty good start, but it's all right. So, okay, we're ending on the Tawa. Okie doke. 4. This has to be a 4. This is a... 4. Definitely can't be a 4 there. So the 4 has to be here. 3. Okay, what about the other 4s? 4. Oh, well, it has to be 4. 4. 1, 2. Okay, this could be anything. So 1, 3. Oh, well, it just has to be a 3. 1. This is 2, 1. This is 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 2, 1. All right, nice. Good round of puzzles today. See you guys next time.